Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use full bloom in solo leveling. Arise. This powerful mechanic is key to maximizing your combat effectiveness. It's not just about raw power, it's about smart play. We'll explore how this unique effect, tied to the demonic plum flower sword, can transform your battles. Get ready to elevate your gameplay and dominate your opponents with strategic full bloom usage. Activating full bloom requires a specific, quick input. First, execute a dash. Immediately after, use your demonic plumflower sword's skill, Plumflower Swift Flight. This combination is crucial for triggering the effect. For easier activation, especially when close to an enemy, try dashing backward without any directional input before using the skill. Practice this timing to consistently unleash its power. Once activated, full bloom provides substantial benefits. You'll receive a 12% increase in critical hit damage, which can stack up to 3 times, totaling 36% extra critical damage. This critical damage buff lasts indefinitely. Additionally, your Plumflower Swift Flight skill's usage speed increases by 20%. You also gain a 4% boost to both attack and critical hit rate for 8 seconds, enhancing your overall offensive capabilities. To truly master full bloom, integrate it strategically. Always try to follow up full bloom with your highest damage skills to capitalize on the increased critical damage. For optimal performance, consider advancing your plum sword to at least Ascension 3, which significantly enhances the related amplifying draw effect. Consistent practice of the dash skill timing will ensure you can reliably activate full bloom in any combat situation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.